Hi guys, it's Kenzie and welcome back to my channel. That's so good. Oh, there's a huge bug right there. Oh, it's dead actually. I haven't said that in so long and it feels really good to say that. I'm really nervous. I don't even want to say welcome back to my channel. I feel like I'm a completely different person from where I last left you guys. So welcome to my channel. I'm Kenzie. Nice to meet you guys. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, or if you unsubscribed in the past 5 months. I totally understand. I have been absent from YouTube for like 4, almost 5 months. It was great and it was also terrible at the same time. I needed a break so badly from the internet. I feel like you guys could tell that from the last couple of videos that I had been uploading. I lost motivation to post on YouTube and I was just doing the same stuff over and over and I wasn't being me. So I had to leave and find myself again. I don't know if that makes sense, but I had to do that and here we are. If you guys follow me on any of my other social media, you know that I also haven't been posting too much on there either. It was really nice to have a break of not posting and not putting my life on the internet and people not knowing what I was doing 24/7. But I'm gonna be posting a lot more publicly on there. I know that in the past 4 months, I feel like I've made a lot of private accounts for my friends. My life is completely different from when I last left you guys in February. I just feel like I'm a totally different person and I've changed, and it makes me want to cry saying that because I've changed for the better in like the best way possible, and my life is, now that's actually a bug, no, it's a staple. My life before was like not what I wanted it to be at all, and it still isn't like that, but I feel like I'm such a happier person, and I've always said that my #1 goal in life is just to be happy, and now I am the happiest I've ever been, ever, and yeah. I have new friends, and I've left toxic friendships that I was really scared to leave. I'm actually gonna cry now. But yeah, I met new friends that helped me do that, and that showed me how awesome I am, and that might sound conceited or something, but for me, I struggle with that hardcore where I just like am never enough, and yeah, they're helping me figure that out. I have a boyfriend, which is so weird to say out loud. We've been dating for like 2 months. We've basically been like seeing each other / dating for like 4-ish though, but yeah, officially for 2 months, and you guys will be able to meet him. I'm so excited to be back. I'm gonna be doing just such more me content, like raw stuff that I was just scared to post before. I feel like before I left I was doing lots of not babyish stuff, but I was like making myself a lot more censored, and this channel is not gonna be like crude or anything like that, but I'm just not gonna like be not myself, if that makes sense. And yeah, I want to do a lot of vlogs, a lot of, I don't even know. I'm not right now gonna have a set schedule, just because I feel like that also is what made me stop uploading, is because that daunting like, oh, it's Tuesday again or it's Friday again, I have to find something to upload. When I have something, I'm gonna upload it, and that's just how it's gonna work, and I'm not gonna be ghosting you guys. You'll probably see something at least once a week. I just wanted to like kind of update you guys before I started just like posting again. I hope you guys are excited. If you are, comment down below, because I missed you guys, and I don't know, I'm just like super happy, and I hope you guys can tell that, like how I'm happy I am. I can't even talk. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. My voice cracked.